Quite a number of people on the internet are curious to know how they can set up Echo chain for MetaMask, and this is the full tutorial about it. It is quite short, a very short tutorial that will help you get started. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's how you can help this channel to grow. Okay, subscribe and also turn on your notification button. Okay, so that's how to join the community also and be a part of it. So let me get to the reason why we are here. Okay, so quickly let me launch the MetaMask. Okay, so if you don't know how to install the MetaMask on your PC, there's a full tutorial about that also in the channel. So I'm going to leave the link below also in the video description. So now all you have to do is to come here. Okay, let me open the expanded view. I prefer the expanded view because it gives you a lot of flexibility and give you a wider screen. So I'm going to come here and click on add network. So when I click on add network, then you come to this article. I wrote this article also. So you can always come here and copy what you need to copy. Just copy and paste everything. So just come here, and copy this and paste it here. So I think I prefer to use Echo chain. Yes, Echo chain. So the next is come here. I'm gonna leave the link to this article also in the video, so you can have access to all this information. So the chain ID is 128. I know that because I've done this before. Then the symbol, the currency symbol is HT. Okay, is HT. So then also just copy the Explorer URL. Okay, then copy it here. That's also optional. Then you click on save. Then we are done with it. Okay, so then we are done with it. So that's how to add HT to your MetaMask. It is quite simple and straightforward. So see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.